Hello students, let's read this question. Represent the following situations in the form of quadratic equations. So starting with first one, which is the area of a rectangular plot is 528 meter square. The length of the plot in meters is one more than twice its breadth. We need to find the length and breadth of the plot. So let's start the solution. So let us consider that let the breadth of the plot will be of x meter, and so the length will be 2x plus 1 meter, and as we know, area of rectangle is equals to length into breadth, which is already given as 528 meter square. So we can simply multiply length, which is 2x plus 1, and breadth, which is x, is equals to 528. So we can solve this. Solving this, we get 2x square plus x minus 528 equals to 0. So as we know this, that this equation is coming from multiplication of length and breadth. So from this we can say that length and breadth of the plot satisfy the quadratic equation which is 2x square plus x minus 528 equals to 0, which is required to representation of the problem mathematically. Now move on to the second question, that is the product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. We need to find the integers. So let's start the solution. So let us consider that the first integer number be x, and next consecutive positive integer will be x plus 1, then the product of then their product of two consecutive integers will be x into x plus 1, which is already given as 306. So solving this, we get x square plus x equals to 306. We can further write this as x square plus x minus 306 is equals to 0. So from this equation we can say that the two integers x and x plus 1 satisfy the quadratic equation that is x square plus x minus 306 equals to 0, which is required representation of problem mathematically. Move on to the third question, which is Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages in years 3 years from now will be 360. We would like to find Rohan's present age. So let's start the solution. Let age of Rohan be x. As per question, the mother's age Rohan's mother's age will be x plus 26. After 3 years, Rohan's age will be x plus 3 and Rohan's mother age will be Rohan's mother age will be x plus 26 plus 3, which is x plus 29. Now, as we have given that the product of their ages after 3 years, which is equals to x plus 3 into x plus 29, it is given as 360. So we can solve this and we get x square plus 29x plus 3x plus 87 equals to 360. So solving this, we get the equation as x square plus 32x minus 273 equals to 0. So we can say that therefore the age of Rohan and his mother's age satisfies the quadratic equation which is x square plus 32x minus 273 equals to 0, which is required representation of the problem mathematically. Now move on to the fourth question, which is a train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. If the speed has been 8 km per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. We need to find the speed of the train. So let's start the solution. First, let the train's speed be x kilometer per hour and the time taken to travel 480 kilometer distance will be 480 by x kilometer per hour. Now, as per second condition, the speed of train will be x minus 8 kilometer per hour. Also given that the train will take 3 hours to cover the same distance. Therefore, the time taken to travel 480 kilometer will be 480 by x plus 3 kilometer per hour. Now, as we already know that there is a formula of speed into time is equals to distance. So, putting values here, we get x minus 8 into time is 480 by x plus 3 is equals to 480. Solving this, we get 480 plus 3x minus 3840 by x minus 24 is equals to 480. Further solving this, we get 3x minus 3840 by x is equals to 24. Solving this, we get x square minus 8x minus 1280 is equals to 0. So from this we can say that therefore the speed of satisfies the quadratic equation which is x square minus 8x minus 1280 is equals to 0, which is the required representation of the problem mathematically. So we have represented the situations in the form of quadratic equation for all of the following questions. Hope you understand it well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.